Hey everybody, Eddie Carrington, Mayor of Flux City, and today we have some really exciting news. We actually bought a bank. We're going to be redeveloping this property into a mixed-use facility that incorporates retail on the first floor and residential units above. And we're going to be bringing a lot more content your way to allow for you to come along with us on this journey as we transform this property into something that is a true community gem over in East English Village. But with that being said, the first thing I wanted to do was take you on a brief tour of the actual safe that came with this property.
Typically, when a bank closes, there's an unwritten rule around setting the vault to a universal combination to make it easier for the new owners to gain access to it. But this wasn't the case here, so we actually had to get help from a locksmith in order to breach the main vault door. Surprisingly though, the locksmith breached the vault in less than 10 minutes, which kind of shocked me, to be honest. I thought, it would take him, a whole day because, it's a freaking bank vault. Since we don't plan on including the vault in the overall floor plan of the development, we will more than likely be demoing it, but it would be criminal not to break into this bad boy before we remove it to get a peek at what's inside. Oh wow, are those money bands? I can only hope that they're actual bills wrapped within them. It says that this is a $1,000 band that held all $10 bills at one point in its lifetime. No luck with this find, but could this be a sign of things to come? Oh wow, I found 1,000 $20 bill bands, and these bands could hold, theoretically, a total of $2 million in $20 bills. Keyword, theoretically. I'm noticing a lot of mold on the desk and the chair, and after seeing this, I don't want to be in here for long because that could be black mold, and that's pretty dangerous to breathe in. This creepy looking chair is actually pretty cool. I might clean it up and keep it since it's more than likely been here since the 50s. So there weren't any safe deposit boxes, only a safe that included boxes for teller cash drawers and a few larger spaces for when cash shipments and large cash deposits came in. Luckily, these teller boxes had the combinations listed on the door, making it easy to open them. Even though these teller boxes are relatively small, one can only imagine just how much money has passed through these bad boys. And unfortunately, at the end of the search, alright folks, thanks for tuning in, and please stay tuned as we plan on having a lot more to cover in regards to redeveloping this property in Detroit's beautiful East English Village. And make sure to subscribe, as this is really only the beginning of us taking you on this journey of transforming an old bank into a true community gem.